День первый. Sometimes I ask the Lord why. Now they're back again in my dreams, you are alive. I don't know reality or fiction. I guess you and the Lord guiding on my mission. Who am I? An actor or musician? Dreaming all these years, finally the right decision. I can't breathe, my mind is wide open. Nightmares in the night, that sheet like an ocean. Sleeping deep, I can hear God speak. Your life in my hands, check the Bible, read and preach. My eyes open, begin to realize I'm still in my dreams. Who's the man in disguise? I stop tripping, think a second about the kitchen. Have to face the fact about my future reputation. In addition, minimize my ambition. Lord, wake me up, change my situation.
My dreams, God is talking to me. In my dreams, I am down on my knees. In my dreams, I'm begging you, please. Let my soul rest in peace. Life is too short to live in anger. Can't stand these negative vibes. Life is too short to live with danger. Please help me, God, to survive.
Can't you stand this negative vibe? Won't you help me, God, to survive? Can't you stand this negative vibe?
Dreams, I just can't explain. They bug me out, make me trip in so many ways. I want the truth, nothing but the truth. And tie 411, I'm going back to my roots. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Young, gifted, black, I am down on my knees. Irritated, lost, nowhere to go. Help me, please rescue me, I'm losing control. The show must go on, I wanna have a piece of cake. Separate good from the bad and fake. Snakes always wanna ride your jack and place their behinds in your face. Dispossess your space in my dreams. I see a picture of your face. Life is too short, babe, take a break. I wish good luck for you and yours. Dreams, see me walking through that door.
My dreams, God is talking to me. In my dreams, I am down on my knees. In my dreams, I'm begging you, please. Let my soul rest in peace.
Could you ease my pain and show me good things in my life? Could it be that I'm just too blind? Life is too short to live with danger. Please help me, God, to survive. Still talking in my dreams. Without your life, it's not what it seems. This is so hard to take.
He's crawling through your blood. He's coming through your cells. When you don't protect yourself, he strikes you. Do you know who he is? It's the HIV. Here we go. Check it out. Running through your blood, intervening in your cells. I'll be your worst nightmare, so you can go and tell. My duties take you off this earth. Since your birth, let me tell you how I go to work and how it hurts. In the 20th century, they invented me. Swallow many medicines, tackle many vaccines. Still standing here on my own, and I can't wait to get up in your home. I stole your life and even take your wife, so you better think twice before you take that price. I'm coming in the midnight creep. Watch your family weep, slowly putting that ass to sleep. I'm much greater after Dominator. You and me one-on-one, I know I'm the remainder. Hopefully I go down in history as a memory. You know my name, I'll be the HIV.
Somebody please help me, 'cause I am falling.
Come on.
I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling? Can't you see what's going on with me? Oh, I need someone to help me.
I'll be the HIV.
Somebody please help me, 'cause I am falling. I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling?
sex, life is born. Sharing needles with the next, catch the context. As I start to move it on, listen up out there to the facts of the song. No feeling when I'm coming to your heart. Destroy your whole family just to do my part. Can you hear me? Yo, you do. In 20 more seconds, I'll be inside of you. Slowly see his and her health begin to fall. And sooner or later, I hear the phone call. Protect yourself or get you a partner that's true, or I'll be coming to you, pumping through. Thanks to the media for giving me attention. And while I'm in your mind, I like to mention diseases of this world are family to me. Cause I'll be the one you hate, I'll be the HIV.
Somebody please help me, cause I am falling.
Come on.
I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling? Can't you see what's going on with me? Oh, I need someone to help me.
I'll be the HIV.
Somebody please help me, cause I am falling. I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling? Can't you see what's going on with me? Oh, I need someone to help me.
Someone to help me. Come on, I'm falling. I'll be the HIV. Help me. Someone to help me. Bring it on.
Somebody please help me, cause I am falling.
Come on.
I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling? Can't you see what's going on with me? Oh, I need someone to help me.
I'll be the HIV.
Somebody please help me, cause I am falling. I'm going down. Can't you hear me calling? Can't you see what's going on with me? Oh, I need someone to help me.
I'll be the HIV.
Listen to these tales from the dark. Her mistress stranded in the park underneath the larch. She laying face down on the ground without a sound. Her casual shoes and straps are nowhere to be found. What's going down? How can this be? Respectfully, but yes, she's history. So many things in this world that she would never see. But the mistress seems tight, holding her purse to the right, deep in the moonlight at night. In the late night mist, a dead cold body lays adrift. Standing bold, you'll stumble over now and take a rip. Fear comes inside your brain, feel the pain and the sane. Hair standing straight, traumatic goosebumps start to drain. Till you reach out for the corpse and the orcs. Who can it be waiting, standing in remorse? Could it be a victim stabbed by the knife in the night, or a lonely lover, or a suicided wife?
I want you to know that there's a light at the end of the road. I'm frightened, I'm scared, and I don't know what to do.
Don't go!
Darkness coming after you. I want you to know that there's a light at the end of the road. I'm frightened, I'm scared, and I don't know what to do.
Don't go!
Darkness coming after you.
Through the bushes starts a masked man, blood on his hand after fulfilling his evil plan. He's headed back to his normal life, back to his home, which is nice, and his wife, just to be precise. As he walks, he starts to reminisce about how the mistress fell in his deadly kiss. Now see the darkness shining from his eyesight. These are the tales steaming, beaming from the moonlight. In the early morning rain, raindrops across my pain. Feeling fear, I rush over to see what's the game. Revealing is the sign in my mind, in design. Uncontrollable vicious sightings is the crime. I'm in a state of grieving for this human being. Standing days, I can't believe what I'm seeing. You better never walk alone by yourself in the park. These are the tragic tales drifting from the deep dark.
I want you to know that there's a light
that's the end of the story. Beware when you walk into the shadows of the night, deep inside of the moonlight.
Top dog, patrolling the beach. Niggas say they hard as bricks, but they as soft as a peach. Claiming the G of all G's. Please, I come blowing through like the breeze. Sitting on threes, posted, coasting, mashing down Pacific coast. And the bomb chrome rims, black on black Yukon, with nuts hanging. From the city where the bangers be banging. It don't seem like shit is changing. I hollered at the homie the other day. G'd up at the park sipping Alizé. One of the homies took a beating, so now it's finna be a gang and checking at the meeting. Life cycles repeating, it's just another sunset falling. See, I can hear the homies that pass calling me. And you know what I discovered? What they keep saying, keep your mind and your money and shake busters. Ever sold millions, but yet you niggas persist to talk shit. Get off my you never catch me slipping, rolling with the heat, slap the clipping. I never thought the world would start tripping. My life's a trip though, hit the crypto, blow the whistle. They think I bang, so I pack a pistol. Warn to the G is a G. I don't with you niggas, so don't with me. Let's ride to the east side, slide like a foe. I packs a fofo when I'm stepping out those to the bang, to the boogie. If I speak, then I spoke. Warn G, you do it every time till you're low. Get the party lit like blazing smoke. The east side of the beach, west side of the coast. You know the niggas that I ride with hogs, attack dogs. The same niggas I'm down to die with. London to Japan, stomp land to the Egyptian sands. You can't check me, disrespect me, or mop me up with the bass bumping out my truck. And all these police trying to lock me up. Money rules the world, and I made the loot, so don't make me shoot. Cause trying to match it get you done every time. I ain't trying to hurt nobody, but I'm down for mine. Biatch. Money over power, power over money, money over power. Biatch, biatch.
Check it now, come on. The pimp game, sex with little kids. Word is out that it's good for the biz. Demand is high, supply is low. You need more sex, ain't got no more hoes. Where do you go? Down to the corner store. You need more loot, got you about 4 little girls that don't know no better. You don't give a shit, you only focused on the cheddar. Money makes a nigga do crazy things. You strung him out on cocaine, taught him how to slang the booty back and forth like a prostitute. 12 years old and he knocking the boots like professionals, proved to be profitable. Took him from the playground, made him touch not hoes. Broke him off some crumbs, relieved him like Tums. Had him begging like bums, cause you wouldn't give him none.
Heartless, we are living in darkness, in a world so heartless. We are living in blindness, yeah. Heartless, we are living in darkness. No matter where you're from, no matter how you come, cross the wrong path and you will get done.
Ain't no love, just pain, no sun, only rain. Had a big effect on a young brother's brain. It's time to initiate, no place to be fake. In order to get it, you got to come straight to the niggas, yeah, and pass the test. You got to show these motherfuckers that you're heartless. Slap the clip in the 9, you jump in the ride, headed straight down from MacArthur Drive. You pull up slow, take the lights down low, hoping you don't see nobody you know. Not knowing what to do to impress the crew. You see a little old lady about 62. Blind, blasted that ass, the bitch fell to the ground. You put your foot to the gas and hard ass, straight off the scene. Tires screeching hard with a gangster lean.
Heartless, we are living in darkness, in a world so heartless. We are living in blindness, yeah. Heartless, we are living in darkness, yeah. No matter where you're from, no matter how you come, cross the wrong path and you will get done.
At the age of 21, a criminal mind at its peak. Just walking down the street, still is trouble I see. Gambling, girls go, it's all for fun. Got my boy AC to do a small run. Dreaming of fights, cold-bloody nights. You may see me once, but never twice. Wait a minute, this ain't no dream. It's a heartless life story, and it's all about the cream. Do what I mean, and mean what I say. But don't try me like no toy, cause I'm not for play. And if the trouble you seek, then seek you should find. Death intertwined with the criminal mind. Thugs and drugs and niggas who take slugs. Me, I stay colder than a bug in a rug. The things I do and the things I say make it hard on me to live another day.
Heartless, we are living in darkness, in a world so heartless. We are living in blindness, yeah. Heartless,
We are living in darkness. Yeah. No matter where you're from, no matter how you come, cross the wrong path and you will get done. Heartless. We are living in darkness. In a world so heartless. We are living in blindness. Yeah. Heartless. We are living in darkness. In darkness, yeah. No matter where you're from, no matter how you come, cross the wrong path and you will get done. Heartless.